My name is Kevin Klossner. I'm studying in an MBA program here at Grand Valley State University. I'm from Switzerland. The most positive aspect of the job was the variety of tasks, definitely. When I walked into the office in the morning, I didn't really know what kind of tasks were waiting for me, and that was an exciting thing for me. Also, the team was one of the positive things, and it felt like a family for me actually working here, and how friendly people are with me. They were always here to help me, and that was really one of the positive things. The most challenging thing about the job was actually when I received a task that I wasn't familiar with. For example, I had to do a research on some import or export thing that I never really heard of to a country that I'm not familiar with, right? So having to do the research and doing more reading about it, maybe have some questions to Catherine or Mark, they would help me out so that I could actually help contribute to the project. So when I started the job, my expectations were kind of low. I thought I would be the guy that makes the coffee in the morning, brings it to the employees, copying stuff, but it was actually the complete opposite. I was able to work on projects that were related to trade in like import and export. I was able to help doing presentations. I was able to work on so many different things and also take responsibilities with having my own project that I was kind of the lead of it, and that was really an amazing experience. So the relationships I had with my coworkers, they were amazing. They were so helpful all the time. It was like a second family to me, basically. So when I had a problem, being it private or in business, they were here to help me, and they supported me with whatever they could. Growing up in Switzerland and having a background in insurance business mostly, for me it was eye-opening to see an American non-profit working. And it was also an amazing thing for me to make the connection between academia that we had in class and how the actual business works. And I think the Van Andel Global Trade Center is the best thing for a student to experience, to make that connection, because a student can learn what the actual business in America is about. And that connection is made with the Van Andel Global Trade Center. So for a future student that wants to work for the VAGTC, I would say try it, go for it, apply. It will broaden your horizon. You will hear about countries that you never heard before. You will learn so many things about international trade, importing, exporting stuff, especially in a global economy like the US. That is so important, and it's just an amazing experience here.